Ryan Murphy.
Mr. D, and we are from the Great Blizz Hockey Team. We are fundraising for
Ice time, equipment,
and a great hockey experience.
Your donation and your support
means so much to us. We have a special message from our teammate Emmett O'Gara and some great footage of us hitting the ice. Please donate below. Go Great Blizz!
Hello, my name is Emmett O'Gara, and I am a part of the Great Blizz Hockey Team. The Great Blizz Hockey Team is to give opportunities to play hockey, to experience hockey from ages young to old. It's an inclusive environment, an inclusive organization. As a business major, future business major and future businessman after college, I greatly appreciate the beneficial humanitarian actions that the Great Blizz gives. Your donations will help give ice time, equipment, helping the coaches with technology, skates and sleds and all that stuff. And your donation will be really appreciated. Thank you.
We are the Great Blizz. We're the South Coast only special hockey team. Yeah, our motto is no hockey player left behind. And it really is no hockey player left behind. This is for everyone. We have tremendously experienced coaches. We have wonderful mentors. You will feel very welcomed. This is a no judgment zone.
I love hockey and I'm glad to be part of a team. I love being on the ice. It's great that I'm part of this because I get to be with the team and make some friends.
Having had a son who's autistic in mainstream sports, this is a place where you are comfortable, you are welcome, and if your child wants to do snow angels in the middle of the ice while we're playing, if that's how they express themselves, bring it on.
Helping out the community, give them a chance in life and have them have an opportunity like I have. Just try my best to help them and make them have fun. We have all equipment, we loan it to you. From the generosity of the people in the hockey community all around the Kingston Bog, we could suit up 100 players at this point. So we have the capacity to grow without compromising the quality of the program. Because we would love more players and more mentors to come and help out. We would like to be like every hockey team in the South Coast, and that means to have frequent practice, but we also would like to travel. Meet other teams all around the country in national tournaments. In order to do that, we need you. We need your support, whether you can help us financially by donating, or whether you could give us your time by being a mentor or a coach, or just spread the word and let people know that special hockey is here in the South Coast of Massachusetts.
I'm raising money for my team and support. Your donation will support equipment, ice time, and no hockey player left behind. Thank you a lot. This means a lot to me and all the players.
Bye.